Welcome to Advanced Construction Videos, where we show you how to tackle rocketry building techniques and more. On our website, we sell kits, motors, building supplies, and electronics. So come and learn, shop, build, and fly when you visit us at apogeerockets.com.
If you intend to fly your rocket, you're going to need to put some clay nose weight into the nose cone. And the mount depends on how you attach the fins. If you put straight fins on the rocket, if you made them perfectly straight, then you're going to want to put in about 48.5 grams of clay in. And if you have the canted ones, you can use less clay, about half that amount, about 25 grams. So that's approximately half of a stick of clay, and the clay comes like this, is about 48 to 50 grams, so it doesn't need to be perfect. You always want to check right before you fly anyway to make sure your center of gravity is in front of the center of pressure. I built my rocket with the canted fins, so I'm going to need only about half of that. So you can just cut it in half. You can just save this for another rocket. It's our gift to you. To put this into the nose cone, just kind of do it in small pieces because you want to get it as far into the nose as possible. Be careful of the lattice work on the tower. I'm pushing it in really hard. Just do it in little chunks. That way you can get it all in there. The further forward, the better, because it always moves your center of gravity forward. And then you also want to put some masking tape around the perimeter of the nose cone. So when you put it on your rocket, it's nice and snug because you don't want that coming off. When we launch the rocket, we're actually going to put a lanyard right here on the nose cone. So you don't have to worry about it coming off in flight because it's also, the ejection charge pushes on this part, not this part. So it's not going to tend to want to come off. But just you'll make it nice and snug. Just be careful taking the nose cone on and off that you protect the RCS nozzles here and the tower lattice work here.